Welcome to a world where precision meets sweetness. Today, we take you inside a state-of-the-art cake factory, a place many call a true sweet city. This is where thousands of delicious cakes are crafted every single day, combining human expertise with cutting-edge technology. The journey begins with the arrival of carefully selected ingredients. Flour, sugar, milk, eggs, and cocoa are inspected under strict quality standards before entering the production floor. Hygiene is not just a requirement here, it's a culture. From automated hand-washing stations to sanitized footwear zones, every step ensures absolute food safety. One of the most fascinating sights is the high-speed egg cracking system. Hundreds of eggs are cracked every minute with incredible accuracy, separating yolks and whites flawlessly. These ingredients are transferred into massive stainless steel mixing vats, where powerful paddles blend them into smooth, consistent batter. Digital controls monitor texture, temperature, and timing with extreme precision. Once ready, the batter flows seamlessly into baking trays and enters long industrial ovens. Inside, carefully controlled heat transforms liquid batter into soft, fluffy cake layers. As the aroma fills the air, the freshly baked cakes move through cooling tunnels, allowing their structure to set perfectly before the next stage. Next comes the art of layering. Automated systems stack cake layers with flawless alignment, adding smooth layers of cream in between. This balance of engineering and craftsmanship ensures every cake has the same height, texture, and consistency. Robotic arms then take over, decorating cakes with incredible speed and precision. From elegant frosting swirls to detailed patterns, each movement is programmed to perfection. But innovation doesn't stop there. A dedicated test kitchen works behind the scenes, developing new flavors and designs.